Eating one time in the morning will control diabetes. In just 2 days, the real solution is to sugar in diabetes treatment. Today, I will tell you the name of the diabetes can completely control diabetes by eating vegetable. Many people do many things to keep diabetes under control, but if you can't keep your diabetes under control by eating only vegetable, you will not have spent many medicine wherein all insulin and your health will not be damaged by this. So, which vegetables can be kept under diabetes control? The name of the vegetable and how many days to eat in a way. How much to eat, how to eat, know all this, and why can be the vegetable keep you diabetes under control. What is the evidence about that? Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. I will give you the Afnak intro Debo. Most diabetic patients know their sexual intercourse ability in decreasing daily, and they have to take insulin and take medicine to control diabetes for a long time, and their physical ability or secret power start to drop entirely. Still, if they start eating this vegetable, their decreased sexual ability will begin and increase again. Not only that, but not matter how old you are, if you start eating the vegetable, your sex power will increase the manifold. Not only this, your mental problem, for example, the depression, cluttered and restless mind, excessive worry due to your inner intention and selfless night will remove such issues. Subscribe to channel to be the first to get a new health information. This herb will control your stomach problem and eliminate gas, acidity, indigestion, and many other diseases. Many of us must have recognized the vegetable will discuss so far. For those who do not know, the vegetable is a fenugreek. Fenugreek is a herb that you use only as a spice in cooking. You can buy this fenugreek from the market or plant it yourself in a balcony top. You can quickly get fenugreek greens. These fenugreek greens contain the antibiotic elements. Antidiabetic elements. This keeps the body's glucose, the metabolism under control. As a result, if you are the diabetic patient, you must be the fenugreek greens. Because herbal medicine is considered as an anti-diabetic element, does not increase blood sugar level. Those who have diabetes know how much of this fenugreek will get the best benefit. Before that, listen to some more points. Now let's see. We can get 50 calories and 100 grams of fenugreek. Also, the 100 grams of the fenugreek leaves contain 1.5 grams of saturated fat, 67 grams sodium and 770 grams potassium and 78 grams of the carbohydrate and 23 grams of protein. That's also the herb is rich in vitamin C and vitamin B6, calcium, iron, and magnesium. What exactly are the benefits of eating the fenugreek? Let's find out. Like if you eat this vegetable, you will never get heart disease. Fenugreek leaves slow down and rate of blood growth, eliminating the dangerous, the possibility of blood clot in the heart. As a result, you can less likely to have a sudden heart attack. Besides, it helps in controlling the blood pressure. To explain more clearly, it plays an essential role in controlling the cholesterol and blood lift level. Why not? There's LDL cholesterol or low density the lipoprotein, and HDL or maintenance and balance high between high density the lipoproteins. How to use the fenugreek for skin care? Wrinkle on the face at its young age, face acne, black spots. Fenugreek can solve all this problem. Blend a few fenugreek leaves, a spoonful of turmeric, milk and water in a blender. Apply this face pack well on the face. After 20 minutes, wipe the face with wet cotton regular. With use of this face pack will reduce all skin problems. Use of fenugreek in hair care. The iron and vitamin in fenugreek leaves solve all hair problems apart from this illuminating dandruff, It also reduces the problem like premature graying of hair. Fenugreek can also make hair thicker. This requires fenugreek well. Fenugreek well can't be prepared at home. Take some account coconut well in a bowl. Throw some fenugreek leaves in it. This time boil on the well in the fire. Keep cooking the well for 10 minutes. Pour that well into the glass bottle. Massage your scalp with this well twice a week. Dandruff problem will decrease. Use of fenugreek in hair care. The iron vitamin of the fenugreek helps solve all hair problem apart from this eliminating dandruff. It also reduces the problem like premature graying of hair. The fenugreek can also make hair thicker. This requires fenugreek well. Fenugreek well can be prepared at home. Take some coconut well in a bowl. Put some fenugreek leaves in it. This time boil the well in the fire. Keep cooking the well for 10 minutes. Pour that well into a glass bottle. The massage your scalp with this well twitch. Weak dandruff problem will decrease.
If you eat this vegetable, you will never have a gas problem. For those who have frequent stomach discomfort and breast gas, medicine to control the gas or severe constipation, try it once. Once you play it, you will understand how this disease will blow you away. Moreover, it will keep this skin healthy. Take care of your hair. This fenugreek vegetable will rate people who do not have diabetes and want to lose weight. Those who want to lose weight can also eat. You should consume the fenugreek for at least 1 month to 2 months to lose weight and control diabetes completely. Fenugreek means high fiber with more nutrients. Being high in fiber keeps the stomach full for all that long time. As a result, the intake is already reduced. However, you should consume 4 to 5 days per day for 9 weeks. And also the other diabetes, try to eat at least 2 or 3 days a week, even if you do not regularly. How much do you eat and how to get good benefit? If you can eat 60 to 70 grams of the fenugreek per day, it will be fine. The taste of this vegetable is mildly the better. For those who did not like bitter, you can eat it. For sure, it does not taste too bad. You can cook it and eat it. How to eat? It should be the cooked and eaten, but it should be the cooked for a short time. I will demonstrate the nutritional quality of the vegetable. You must cook it for 7 to 8 minutes and cover it on high, mixing little oil and salt. It is no need to add extra spices. I will spoil the quality of vegetable this way. If you want, you will get this disease under control. Also, you can get enough sleep at night. Your tension will disappear and be cheerful in your mind. If you like this video, diabetes patient must try this vegetable the regime once. What is this result? Then be sure to comment and also share the video so people can control their diabetes by eating this little fenugreek. That is why their health is not damaged, but money isn't wasted. Thank you. Stay well and stay healthy.